Hello, Averr Aglow community. My name is Dawn Karwoski. I am coming at you today from the Chicago suburbs, where I live here with my husband and our 2 cats. I am a meeting and event planner by day and also run and operate a health and wellness coaching business nights and weekends, where I coach people one-on-one and in groups and do wellness programs to help people live healthy and happy simply. So I am sharing my Averr Aglow journey with you today, which, oh my gosh, you guys, has been a really transformational one. So my acne started way back in my tweens when I first hit puberty. It was like instant piece of face overnight. My poor parents took me to like every doctor and specialist in our area. I spent nearly a decade trying to find some solution, trying, all the salves, all the prescription medications, all the things to try to combat it. I ultimately ended up on hormonal birth control, which did work for a little while, but anyone who's been on it may know that once you come off of it, it is like game over. So I did have some luck with the birth control for a little while, but continued to have breakouts all throughout my 20s and 30s. And then when I went off the pill in the 30s, my skin just absolutely freaked out. So in addition to regular acne, I now was dealing with acne, like the hormonal cystic acne along my jawline and my chin, which is a whole fun new thing for adult acne if you have not dealt with that yet. So I was just absolutely miserable. Being in my 30s, I was actually preparing for my wedding. I was in a big corporate job and traveling a lot and always seeing people and just constantly feeling terrible about myself. Always caked in a full face of makeup. I refused to leave the house, go see family or even go to the grocery store without having a full face of makeup on. I was just that self-confident. And then kind of fast forward to my mid-30s when I met a dear friend of mine who reached out to me, who also deals with acne, and just said, Dawn, you've got to try this product. I think that you'd really like it. And lo and behold, it was my now holy grail product, the Averr Aglow Clear Skin Elixir. You guys, this stuff is magic in a bottle. Within a few days, I started to notice that my cystic acne was calming down. I continued to use it for a few weeks and noticed more and more improvement. So I went all in and ordered the full Luminous Care kit, which is the full acne product line. And I was just an immediate convert. As more time went by, it probably was a good 6 months before I saw really big improvement, but I started to notice, even over the first month or 2, that my breakouts would heal quicker and they were smaller in size and they were less reactive. And, by the 6-month mark, I started to see more improvements to skin tone, even tone, and my acne marks and scars were going down and sunspots were starting to fade. And just the difference with the skincare, you guys, having skin that's nourished as opposed to all the other acne products I've used, which I think I've tried just about every single one on the market. And this one nourishes skin from within, so that giving that luminous glow, and it really does. And now I'm recording this video for you guys, which I can't even believe, without any makeup on. No makeup, naked face. Can't believe it. Never thought I would get to this point. I feel so good using the products every day. My self-confidence has improved. I do leave the house without makeup now. I cannot believe that happened. I never thought I would get to this day. And now I just feel more confident and happy, and I'm so excited to share my story with you guys and just continue to share these products with the world. I know it's really easy to look at someone on video and think, she has great skin. She's never been where I am. She doesn't know what it's like. I promise you guys, I've been in those dark days. I was in a couple dark decades, to be honest, a few dark decades almost, from my teens to my mid-30s, and they're ugly. I know how hard this is. I know how easy it is to give up. I failed and tried in many products, but this stuff works, you guys. I hope you give it a chance. I hope it works for you as well as it has for me. And wanted to mention, in addition to the Clear Skin Elixir, that one of my other holy grail products is the Luminous Complexion Toner. This stuff is magic sauce too. So obviously I use and love the entire line, as I mentioned, but between the elixir and the toner, these 2 guys are must-have. You have to try them. The Luminous Complexion Toner is fantastic for it instantly locks up pores. It's great for evening skin tone. It's really helped fade my sunspots and my acne scar marks. So cannot recommend these 2 beauties enough. Really recommend that you kind of jump all in and do the full skincare line, because it really does work synergistically together and makes all the difference in the world. I'm wishing you guys so much health and healing with your skin. I'm rooting for you. Please reach out if you have any questions or if I can be of support. Wishing you guys all the health in the world. Thanks for listening.